In this next form of organization, one module represents one unit of study. This is a very familiar format that we're used to seeing in textbooks where we have a unit title as well as subsections. You can see that repeated here by using the unit title as the module title and then using text headers to represent the different subsections of that unit. The benefits of this style is that it does keep all the materials and expectations for a particular unit, everything from the introduction all the way down to the assessment, in one module, one place for students to look. It does mean, though, that modules are much longer for students to see, but then again, you'll only have fewer of them instead of many, many modules like you might have on a day module or a week module system. Here at the bottom, we've included a section for assessment and then also a resource section that can have, say, key terms, critical thinking questions, whatever you might use for your course. Again, this is very effective in courses that follow closely with a textbook or where you want students to work more in a self-paced or sequential manner. It doesn't necessarily have to be self-paced, though. It can be tracking with what you are doing in class and just using the dates that are found within those particular tasks to know when those tasks are due. Cheers.